What's up, people? It's your girl, the Teacake Queen, coming to you from Shreveport, Louisiana with a hair video. I am a licensed cosmetologist. Most of my customers don't know, but some people be finding out. Like, I had a customer today. She found out that I did hair. So anyway, as you can see, I have lots and lots of hair, and I don't have lots and lots of time to be fooling with all of this hair on a daily basis. So I like to do the two-strand flat twist because I can wear it the way I twist it. I can wear that for a few days, and then when I'm feeling fancy, I can take the twist down and wear it loose and, you know, curly, and it gets bigger and bigger every day, and depending on the humidity level in the air, it gets more frizzy every day. And then, you know, then after a while I shampoo it and start all over again. So I thought that I would take the time to shoot a two-strand flat twist tutorial video, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So that's why I'm going a little slow when I do the twist to my scalp. And so here you go. This is what you do. And I know there's a gajillion videos on the web about how to do this, but you take two sections of hair. You haven't heard me do it, right? So you take two sections of hair and you overlap each section of hair, and you see how I'm sticking my finger through there as I go? That's what you want to do. You want to stick your finger through every time, because what I'm doing is I'm grabbing more hair and I'm keeping my hands flush to my head. I'm basically keeping my hands on my head so that I have this flat twist. That's why it's called a two-strand flat twist, because it does not come away. Oh, look, I decided that I would connect those two right there because I didn't like the way that looked. And I know myself, I know I'm gonna wear my hair like this for a few days. So I want to be somewhat presentable as I'm going out running errands, making deliveries, and going to the store, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Okay, here we go. Spraying some water on my hair, and as you can see at the beginning, I'm using some Lotta Body moisture. I think it's called Moisture Me, but I love the slippage that I get with that product. And I'm just going through and I'm doing the same thing, twisting. I combined those first two sections on that side of my head, and now I'm starting on the back, doing that part. And the next part, this is where it gets difficult, for me at least, doing the back, because I have to do this overhanded twist thing, and you know, the fingers are kind of doing a little bit of a different thing. My arms are tired. And just repeating, spraying some water on my hair. My hair is, it just dries up water real fast, sucks up water. So here we go. Just trying to show you. It's hard to see, I know, with all that puffy hair, but the overhanded thing, that takes a little practice. But if you practice, you know, if both your arms and hands are in good working order, I believe you can do this. You know, just work with it. Just take your time and practice over and over again. I know natural hair is a lot of work, honey. Look, now I'm putting on my cute little earrings, and here we go. 3 days later. That's day 1. That's day 2. Hair's getting bigger on the second day. I love winking my eyes, folks. And this is day 3. I put my little barrette on there, and day 4, had to move that barrette around. You know, just trying to make it presentable every day. I like to look my best. I can't believe, y'all, I used to be slap bald headed. Like, look, let me show you. Child, I got a divorce and shaved my head. Now let me plug my business, y'all. Shop teacakequeen.com, y'all. I can bake. Peach cobbler pound cake. Strawberry swirl cheesecake ships very well. Peanut butter tea cakes, and 7-Up pound cake. Bye, y'all.